Hey guys. Case anybody is on. Turn down the sound a bit. Yes. Hello, hello. Just here for a quick update on what we're doing. Um, just been showing you the latest update on the Machina Globe. We introduced our lovely first version of the graphs. It's just showing that on a nicer time frame. Here we are, where we can exactly get all the values from our sentiment and relevance analysis for each item that the AI detects in the news, to give us this beautiful oversight in a colored form for actually any type of query. So the standard system comes with roughly 120 default queries, but you, oh, yeah, I was talking and I was on mute, I think. Wait, no, you should actually have heard me, so it should be all good. Let me know if you can't for some reason. Yeah, so let me actually use the mic a bit closer, because I think people said last time that the mic, I'm not using that mic. I have another one here. This is just for, as you can tell, I'm not the most experienced streamer, so bear with me, I'm gonna learn. So anyways, yeah, so this is the globe, where you can, animate all kinds of stuff. And basically get all these different views. And the nice thing is you could also do this specifically for a specific subject. So right now the default searches are pretty default, but you could actually really go and visualize something down to a specific person per country, and only when the person is mentioned in a specific category of news. So you can really go down and track really specific subjects that happen, and that could be like everything you can actually think of, because you can tell the system exactly what kind of events or facts do interest you, and it would basically extract exactly that from the news, and then create the statistics for you that allow you also then to display it. So basically you just put in a simple search query for what you're looking for, and then the system actually is gonna in real time surveillance that subject for you from all the public sources that it can query, and give you all these different analysis. And the top list, of course, you have a ranking system, you have the sentiment analysis, the relevance analysis, and so forth. And of course you can visualize also to the globe. And the nice feature, of course, as well, is you can read news pair your filters. So you can once set a filter for something that interests you, and then you would always just get really those news and nothing else, which is actually super nice way of reading news in a much more efficient way, I would say. Consume information, consume broad information. It can basically it can query news in any language for you, so you would expand your search horizon to foreign languages and foreign micro ecosystems, and so that allows you to get a much more objective point of view of what you're looking at. And of course it allows you to do much more sophisticated research, because you're not like researching on demand, but the research is continuously done. So you can actually get alerted for stuff, so you can set up alerts and get like a notification on Telegram or whatnot if certain things happen in the news, and that all is really customizable to exactly your needs. So yeah, that's that quick outlook on the latest stage of development on the Machina Globe, which we are actually selling now. So the whole thing is having customers already, and is moving forward on that end as well. So let's go quickly to the trader. Um, we have been working on the paper trading challenge. I had a bot which was actually not doing too bad, but he catched a sneeze in a couple of bad moments, so that really messed with my stats. However, actually, the buy and sell picture actually looks quite nice. If you look at this, this is like the Ethereum chart right now for the bot that we have turned on last week's session on Wednesday actually, and you can see like it actually sells pretty quickly when it goes downwards. It 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 has really nice entry points actually. I mean, this one here, it could have catched that a bit earlier, but it still went in. We have a good selling point here as well, so generally it doesn't look too bad if we go through it, but we have too much situation where it yet cannot sell for some reason, and then need to investigate and fine-tune a bit the settings. So I'm looking at the different buy and sell pictures right now, and then feed the AI with the results, with the actual trades that we have had. So you see, like, we have had quite some volume. So since last week, with this $1,000 portfolio, the machine has traded a volume of 376,000. So that's anyways a bit way too much trades for me at the moment. So I'm gonna reset my machine probably this weekend and rerun it with some different settings to see how that goes. Generally, you can really see that it really detects trends generally in a good way. We seem sometimes to have false positives here. We're a bit too late, so we should enter a bit earlier, and then should be able to actually exit the right time, because the exit points doesn't look so bad. It's more that we have too many late trend detections if I look at that picture. So yeah, I'm definitely going to feed the AI with the trading results that we've had so far. As you can see, this is quite a lot of trades that we have, a couple of hundred trades. So there is a lot of data to now optimize the strat and optimize the settings. So I'm gonna do that on the weekend, and we'll reset. I will let you know what new settings I'm going to run for the strategy. Yeah, so that's that paper trading challenge going on. If you have issues in actually creating your own strategy and running it, I'm quickly showing this live. So we have on the MachinaTrader website released the latest strategy for the paper trade, the bull trender. Let me see where it is. It's a very good question. Should have probably come prepared. Let me see. From maybe here. 1 second. No, where did they put it? Sorry. 1 sec. Library. Oh, that's good, that's good. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, here, marketplace. I'm sorry, I'm sometimes a sleepy one. So here's the super bull trender. So here's the strategy. I wrote some basic informations how the strategy works when it does do buy sell signals. Does that. You can just take the code right here, and actually you have a copy button. So you copy the code, you just come over here, you start off with an empty strategy, and you just replace the empty strategy code, and then you need to run one backtest. So I'm just gonna run on my standard settings, because when you like change code, you need to run one backtest successfully, so the system knows the code is basically running. With that being said, I didn't change any of the settings, so the results are probably not looking good if it did any trades. Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh no, actually look at this. We got a lot of trades going on. Okay, so that's good. Let's quickly review the settings. So that was these settings over here. Yeah, that's that. But you can already see, so that works up to here. So I had my successful back test after I created the new strategy and copied the code. Now you have this button up here. So you can say like create a new strategy from this. And then you would like publish this project, confirm, and then you can here, you know, we just go the quick route, use the nice fancy O, and then here we are, settings again, whatever, that's good, publish that, and here we have our armadillo vulture. You can see that, wonderful, is here. Now let's go select. All right, and now if you want to run this as an actual paper trading or live Machina, you will come to the Machina wizard, just like my armadillo account config. Go next, strategies, armadillo vulture. Here we are, settings again, all good, looking good. We had the top 5, looking good. Wonderful. Create Machina, and poof, here is our armadillo. It's not started yet, of course, so we do not have any trades, but everything is set up and ready, as you can see. So what you would do now is go through the settings. Here you got your strategy settings, your buy and sell settings. Yet again, make sure to move this here. Highly suggested to update the time here, to have not too many failed attempts, because you set the trade too early in and then didn't come in time. What else do we have? Let me see. So yeah, we want to potentially go in with 100% of what we have, or 75 for now, which is good. This is also good, wonderful. Let me just quickly transition the stage here as well, so you can actually see my face instead of the poor camera that you see right now. Wait, transition. You are. All right, so yeah, that's that. We're good. So technically I could run this now. So yeah, that's that. This is how you set up a strategy that you get from our website when we release it. We will soon have the open source strategy repository, where I'm going to fill like more and more strategies that we work on as examples. And it actually looks like we're really finally going to have a Bitcoin or Ethereum strategy pretty soon, as we're working hard on optimizing the signals from Machine and Use AI. So I told you that on the last session we did have some great correlations that we found between the price of assets and our actual Machina score. So that's now being retrained, and we're making sure that we really get close to having this a really good buy and sell signal. So bear with us, and I think we're really not too far away from having the first strategy based solely on an AI signal for news. But then we do have plenty of ideas as well. I mean, we want to do some fun bots around, Elon Musk tweets and other profiles on social media that we're looking at. So there is a lot of fancy stuff to do and to play with. And I'm going to share it here with you whenever I have time to quickly do a session and jump on in the next future. I'm going to do that. I'm also going to expand this a bit in terms of we've expanded the team. So I'm going to introduce you to the people that we have on the team. The specialists will explain you how we actually work with the models. We're doing computation on different models, analysis. The News AI system right now runs mostly with ChatGPT models 3.5 and 4, but we're actually also internally working with Llama and a couple of others. And we're now also working on preparing ourselves to retrain based on all the news data and start building our customized models. So it's really an interesting time that we're looking at. Yeah, so there is a lot of interesting stuff going on at the moment, I would say. As I said, from a product perspective, we are dearly waiting for the next patch where live trading is certified for actually more than one exchange. I can say that now. So we are testing dearly at the moment and moving forward, finishing that development, giving you these new exchange adapters. And that's basically also means we have a lot more exchanges compatible directly that we can, then release over time, which we will do. So yeah, things are really starting to come together on all the ends, and in the meantime, play around with the bull trender. I can tell you that I had on my other instances, I had some pretty nice results actually. So if you put the right settings into bull trender and you catch a lucky wave, it's actually really able to grab one or the other ones of those nice little movements. So I would definitely look into that as well, and play around and get prepared for live trading. Make sure to stay on the sessions over the next couple of weeks. I'm going to introduce a lot of alpha, specifically around the news AI system, because we have a lot coming there. The trader as well, all in preparation for the certified trading update. So we're all really excited for that, and making sure we have all the gizmos in place for that. And so love to have you again with me. This one today was planned to be a short one because it was unplanned. I just wanted to make sure I test some equipment. So we prepared for the next call. So guys, we're gonna have a great next session. Gonna build a pretty cool new strategy that I have in mind. I'm gonna retest some stuff. We will do some more optimization now with live data. Last time we optimized backtests. This time we're gonna try and find better parameters for the trades that we've done. So that's gonna be interesting as well. And we're gonna actually look into the crypto version of the Finance Globe. What I showed today was just a demo version, but so the crypto version has data for actually a year back now. So we do have a lot of serious crypto data. We're surveillancing pretty much every news outlet that talks about crypto worldwide. So we're gonna be able to show you some really nice stuff on the globe around crypto. And over the next weeks, as I said, all of this should come together. News AI and the crypto part and the signals part. And I think that covers it for today. I hope the guys were able to test their AMA setup for Twitter. I haven't heard back, so I assume stuff is working. What else? Let me quickly see before I shut this for the day. Where we at? So we have this. Let me quickly check. Boom. Yeah, wonderful. So no, I think we're good. Yeah, strats are running. I'm gonna do some optimization on the weekend. Probably gonna do another session. So might this time even announce it if I do one on the weekend spontaneously for the optimization stuff. So those who want to learn how to use ChatGPT along with MachinaTrader, let me know. And for those who do have a ChatGPT paid account, you should absolutely join our next official Wednesday session, because I'm going to give you access to a very small demo version of the ChatGPT agent that can speak to the news AI system. So I'm going to reduce it solely to Bitcoin news, but it's going to be able to give you summaries of the latest Bitcoin news, and it's also going to give you backtests for Bitcoin data along with the price backtesting. So that being said, I think that's going to be a nice thing, and it's going to show you the mightiness of the system. As you will know, that there is another 13,000 cryptocurrencies that we are surveillancing, and where we can give you the same grade of information. So yeah, let me see. Did we miss anything? No, I think, yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, next week we're gonna go a bit more to the globe, go deeper into that, actually look at what we do around machine score computation, how our sentiment analysis works. Also, like, I'm going to give you a bit of a brief information how much you can parameterize in the system, and yeah, that's going to be that. So that all being said, I would say I wish you all a wonderful weekend. I'm going to head off, get some food, and then get back home, enjoy the family, and later on have a night of beautiful tech stuff. So let us know if you have any questions, if you're sitting and you're not finding what you want. Let us know all the questions that you have. Please send us feedback. It's really the time now where we think and believe that we have, the last great opportunity to really deeply ingest customer early feedback and make sure it all moves into the main retail release, which we're planning later this year. So yeah, let's together prepare for the go live. Make sure to stay close. We have a lot of more nice little challenges, prizes that you can win, and this will increase more and more. The prizes will get bigger, the amounts more often, the closer we head towards our retail go live. And yeah, if you are looking this and you're from an institutional, at any time get in touch with us via the website, let us know your requirements. We're happy to jump on a call, show you the capabilities, and introduce you to what's possible with an AI of this grade. Oh look, we're doing some buys. Let's see what it does. Okay, that's an interesting one. You must be really sure strategy to buy here. Okay. Interesting. Yeah, I said we catch them buys too late. I should really optimize. I mean, it's not bad, but I think we should be able to catch this maybe a bit earlier. Yeah, definitely. All right then. I wish you all a beautiful weekend. We'll let you know on social media when we do the next spontaneous session. Main sessions are planned every 2 weeks at 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the evening. Actually 9 o'clock in the evening each Wednesday. Yeah, so I'd say enjoy your weekend and talk to you soon. Bye. Bum, 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 bum.